Hi guys, and welcome to Hitch Up and Tow. As you can see, we're back at the storage yard. We're here today because I had to put a new number plate on the caravan. So we've got that sorted out, and the reason for that is because we have a new tow car. There we go, our new tow car, Kia Sportage, in white this time, with nice wheels. No, we haven't got a tow bar on the back yet. We're getting that organised, or getting it booked in today for hopefully sometime within the next week or two, and then we will be out. That's a quick walk around. It's a 6-speed turbocharged petrol engine, so not what I really wanted. I prefer diesel, but there we go. Now the boot itself is a fair size. As you can see, it fits Coral's electric wheelchair, but the MG before it was about the same size, and because it's only us two who go away these days, we just drop the seats. We've got plenty of space. You have to excuse the dirt, but we have been using it for a week now, so it is a bit dirty, but we just wanted to see what it's like. That's the back. I've noticed USBs in the seats and hooks to hang stuff and jackets, I presume. 3 seats at the back, or an armrest what pulls down. The front, all your window and door mirror controls on the door as normal. Quite a long display. Half of it is for the media, half of it is for driving. All your normal buttons on the steering wheel. Apple Play and Android Play. 6-speed manual, like I said. Auto brake. It's got all the electronic stuff like lane control and all that stuff, which took me ages to switch most of it off because I got fed up with the beeps. But there we go. And that is our new tow car. Hopefully we'll be out very soon, and as soon as we are, we'll give you an update on how well it tows. But so far, very comfortable. I prefer it to the MG. Smoother ride, just feels a bit better quality. If anyone does tow with one of these, I would be interested to know what you think of them. So put a comment down below. But there we go, the new tow car. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.